Hello, today I'm going to introduce you to a software called Google SketchUp. Google SketchUp is a software that is comparable to AutoCAD but easier to use and is ultimately free for the user. To start off, all you need to do is Google SketchUp. Should be the first link that pops up. Once you get to this page, click Download Google SketchUp. Then you have to go through all of these steps. I plan to use Google SketchUp for educational use. And then once you enter that, you enter your email, your name, your school. I'm a student. Click your operating system. And then you click SketchUp Pro 2016. And you agree to the license agreement, and then you click Download Google SketchUp. Once you've downloaded Google SketchUp, this is what pops up on your desktop. This icon right here, SketchUp 2016. Double click on that, it opens up the software. As you can see, this license is a trial license. You have 30 days. And then after that you have to buy a license to continue using SketchUp. My default template is in meters. You can choose a different template if you would like. It's just all about preference. So you can look through all these different templates, which you're most comfortable with. I'm just going to do a simple template in meters. Once you have your template selected, you click Start Using SketchUp. And this is what pops up. This is the default screen. First, I'm going to go over the toolbar up here on the top, and then I'll draw some lines, draw some objects, and give you a quick tutorial on how it works. This first button is the select tool. It's pretty straightforward. It allows you to select different lines, shapes, and edit them. This next tool is the eraser. It allows you to erase lines, shapes, pretty much anything you would like to erase. This tool will do it. This next tool is a line pencil. It creates lines. Here on the drop down, you can see you have two options: a line, just a straight line, and a freehand. I'm just going to be using the line function. I find it easier to use a drawing pad stencil to use freehand. The next option is arcs. It allows you to draw an arc, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, and so on. I'll show you how that works in a minute. Next option is shapes. It allows you to draw a circle, rectangle, rotated rectangle, polygon, etc. Once you have a shape drawn, this tool allows you to extrude the object into a 3D form. I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. This offset tool allows you to offset an arc or a line to a specific or specified distance away. It's very useful for road design. This tool is the move tool. Pretty much does what it says it does. It moves the object to where you want it to be placed. This tool is pretty straightforward as well. It allows you to rotate the object to a different axis, or allows you to rotate on the same axis. This tool is the scale tool. It allows you to scale up or scale down your entire object, whichever you may prefer. It comes in handy. This is your tape measure. It allows you to measure between 2 points, distances. This is your text labeling tool. It allows you to mark and draw labels on certain shapes or points. This is your paint bucket tool. It allows you to make your object into different materials, different colors, different patterns. Pretty versatile. This is a orbit tool. This allows you to orbit your object. I'll show you what that looks like here in a minute. This is your pan tool. Again, I'll show you how it works in a minute. This allows you to zoom in or zoom out. This tool zooms in or out to the extent of your object. If you have a lot of objects and you get lost zooming out, you click this button and it takes you right back into your object. And these three tools are more social tools. Allows you to upload your objects to warehouses and allows other people to access your drawings. So to start off, I'll just draw a line, pretty basic, from the origin. Click once to start. Click again to stop the line. Keeps going. You click again to make another point. Click again. To exit this this line right here, all you do is click escape, and it finishes the line for you. To erase, using the erase tool, you just click eraser, and then you click on the lines that you would like to erase. Pretty simple. Here's the arc tool. You click onto the origin or a point. Click once. Click again to set the second point. And then you pull up to complete the half circle or the arc. Once you click that, it completes the arc. And we're going to go back and erase this. And then we're going to move on to, let's do polygon. You click wherever you would like. Pull out to your however big you want your shape to be. Click again to make the shape. And then let's use the extrude tool, the push-pull tool, to make it a 3D object. To do that, you just click on the object, the two-dimensional object, click it, and then just pull up or pull down to create a three-dimensional object. And then you can click on the pan or the paint bucket tool. You click whatever type of material you would like. There's a variety. Let's click wood. Wood floor dark. You click that, and then you click on the object you would like that to become, and then it becomes wood. You can click metal. Let's go to metal, and then you can make it corrugated shiny metal. And then, yep, lots of different options for this. Zoom in, see what that looks like. Zoom in, zoom out. This is your extent zoom, so it takes you to the extent of your object. You can zoom in, zoom out. Orbit, you just drag around the object. Pretty simple. So this is a pretty basic tutorial on how to use the basic functions of Google SketchUp. I would encourage you to download the software and see what you can do for yourself. Have fun.